Hey guys, so in this video, I want to show you how is the right way to share a folder on Google Drive with your team. When you're working with a team, you don't want to share a folder. You want to share a drive. Here I have my training administrations officer sending me a folder that has a bunch of folders and it's sharing it with to multiple people so that we can all collaborate. The right way to do this is not to share a folder. Let me show you something. Right here, when I click on it, I got a folder with a couple of documents that we're going to be working on. Okay. The best way to do this is to share a drive. Okay. You want to do a drive, a shared drive. Here I have two shared drives. Dr. Berg is sharing his drive with me, and Manuel, who is our CEO, is sharing his drive with me. And all you would want to do is hit new drive. You want to let's just call it training, uh, and then go ahead and create. Let me see if there we go. I hit the refresh button here, and there you go. So now from here, you can, once you log in, go ahead and log in by double clicking. You're able to do everything you want. You rename it, change the color, change the image, put a new graphic on there, change the theme, pick from the gallery, create custom theme. And then here you could go ahead and create new folders, new documents and stuff. And then of course you want to share with whoever. You can manage the members here. Right now, obviously it's only me. The main thing here is that a drive, if somebody leaves the group, the rest of the group can continue operating with that project. So it's for team sharing. You don't want to share folders, because if I am the originator of the folder and I leave the company and you cut my email, you cancel Ollie at whatever, abc.com or whatever my email for the company is, everybody loses access to it in most cases. And so you want to share a drive, because a drive is what is considered the team sharing feature in Google Drive. So it's that simple to do. I hope that this helps.